Hi everyone, this is Smita from the Science College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So we are going on the series of what is Servlet. So on the next pages, we already discussed what is CGI, right? It's a Common Gateway Interface. So what is the basic of what is actually a CGI? So CGI is a standard that facilitates communication between web servers and external database, some information sources like there are some databases which we have to fetch from the external resources. It could not be in your particular server. So it acts as a middleware actually. So allowing web servers to interact with applications that process data and send back the response. The CGI standard was defined by W3C. So we know what is W3C. It's a World Wide Web consortium. So it specifics how a program interacts with hypertext transfer protocol. So we already know it is a library, was a Python library that provided a simple interface like for writing CGI scripts, like the scripts that run on a web server. So this library has been duplicated in favor of more modern and feature-rich directives, such as some web frameworks like Django. So, what are the basic features of CGI? It is a very well defined and supported standard. So, CGI scripts are generally written in the languages like C and like shell scripts. So, for example, a simple Perl script could be used for process from. So, data is supported by web pages and generated dynamic responses. So, we know how it should be in a form, Perl format. So, okay, what are the advantages? So, here it is a basic structure of a CGI. So, what are the, I am going to repeat the same words like what are the things that a client wanted that could be a request and the answer for the particular um, questions it could be the response. So responses are sent by the server. So request went to the server. So here are some advantages. So before getting into some advantages, so CGI basically allows applications. Okay. So the interface is enabling dynamic content generation for web pages. For example, a CGI script can be used to fetch data from the database and generate dynamic HTML content for a display on a web. So CGI is the best method to create a computer because it is currently the quickest. So basically, if we compare for a fastest server, so CGI plays a major role in it. So CGI standard is generally the most applicable with today policies. So coming to the advantages, so better performance. So we know that this quick implementation, like CGI can be quick and straightforward method for implementing simple web-based tasks such as form processing or data manipulation. For example, a CGI script can be quickly developed and deployed to process users' input from a web form and generate a response. So easy to use existing codes. This is a large existing code base of CGI scripts, especially in Perl. We already discussed Perl. So which can be readably used on customized for specific requirements. For example, there are numerous CGIs available for the embeddable for tasks such as form processing, data validation, and file updates. So it could be portable and then it is secure. So CGI based counters and CGI codes to perform simple tasks are available in blending. So there are some disadvantages like overhead in page loads. Each page load in CGI requires overhead by having to load the script into memory, so which can impact performance, especially in high traffic websites. For example, the website receives a large number of requests. We can go through some examples when we approach to get an result. So in a particular website, it could have a heavy traffic. So we know that at a time there could be 1,000 plus of students will approach that particular website. So if a website receives a large number of requests, the overhead of loading the CGIs for each request can result in slower response time. So limited caching capacities, so security, and then scalability. These are could be the disadvantages of a CGI. So thank you for the session.